Hello, welcome to InsectX, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the last video, we have successfully configured and installed the SET toolkit on the Kali Linux machine. In this video, I'll briefly introduce you the concept called tabnabbing and how to exploit this particular method using the SET toolkit. Okay, so let's start with the basic introduction to this particular tabnabbing. This particular tabnabbing concept is being coined by Mr. Azaz Ruskin. So he states that it can detect that you are logged into Citibank right now, and Citibank has been training you to log into your account for every 15 minutes because it logs you out for the better security. It's like being hit by a wrong end of the sword. Let me take one example here. So I think most of the users who are watching this particular video series might have access to the internet banking account. Let's say that you have logged into your internet banking account by using some kind of browser, maybe the Mozilla Firefox or else Google Chrome, any kind of browser. Okay, so in the meanwhile you might open the new tabs, maybe some social networking website or some any other kind of websites. So let's say that if you have spent some time over the third-party website, maybe on some other website, okay, so in the meanwhile what happens to the net banking website which you have opened? Yes, automatically it gets logs out, right? So this is for the sake of the security. Okay, so whenever you see this thing, okay, let's say that you have saw that you have successfully logged out, fortunately or else unfortunately. So immediately if you notice this thing, if you have logged out from this particular internet banking account, you may try to log into the same account, right? So based on this kind of thing, Mr. Ruskin has triggered the following concept called tabnabbing. In the tabnabbing attack, the attacker will generate a URL, or else the attacker has built a website. Okay, let's say that I built a website called chaitanyakrishna.com. Whoever is opening my website, yes, it gets open, but the users may not switch to they don't want to stick to my own website, right? They want to open some other website. Okay, so they will be using the multiple tab functionality which is available in today's browser. Okay, by using one browser, one single browser, you can open multiple number of tabs. Let's say that the victim has opened my tab chaitanyakrishna.com, and on the other hand he can open the other tab like google.com or else a Facebook tab, right? So what is the first tab opened here is the chaitanyakrishna.com. okay, so what is the second tab open means some Google or some Facebook. And now let's say that he is spending some time, whatever the tab which is opened in the back end, it basically gets refreshed and redirects to the phishing page. Okay, so whenever the victim is trying to submit the credentials in that particular page, automatically this particular SET framework collects the credentials, that is both the username and the password. Okay, so this is the thing what actually happening in this particular tabnabbing concept. So tabnabbing by using the SET, first of all you need to navigate into the SET directory and you need to use the social engineering attack, and inside the social engineering attacks you need to use the website attack vectors, and after that you need to choose tabnabbing. In the tabnabbing you need to select the let's say that if you want to use the site cloner, you can do that, or else if you want to use some template, you can use that, or else if you want to import something, you can use that. Okay, so the best option from my side, and I highly recommend you to use the site cloner. And after giving you the site complete URL, maybe by using HTTP or else HTTPS, both the things will work, it's not a matter. And finally you need to supply the two things. One is the attacker's IP address and the other one is the site, the site you want to clone. After a few seconds it starts listening. Okay, the harvester mode will start listening. At this moment what you need to do is you need to share this particular URL, whose URL, the attacker's URL, to the victim. Let's say that I have opened this particular IP address, that is 192.168.159.134 on my browser. So in the meanwhile I may also try to open some other browser, right? Okay, what if I switch back and provide my credentials in the backend tab which got open? Okay, of course I will try, I will, or else I might, okay, I get logged into my account. Okay, if I haven't signed out, or else if I haven't logged out from my machine, means I may get logged into, or else I may get redirected directly into my Facebook web page. Okay, in the back end, what exactly happening here is, it is retrieving the credentials, the username and the password, okay, by using the concept called tab nabbing. This is what exactly happening. So now quickly we will have a demonstration on this. Let me open up my VMware instance here. Issue set toolkit, and here you need to select social engineering attacks, and after that you need to select website attack vectors, and here we are going to select which method, tab nabbing attack, that is option number 4. And 3 options are available here. One is the website templates, the other one is a site cloner, and the third one is a custom import. Best thing is that we need to choose a site cloner, so give the option number 2. And now here we need to supply the attacker's IP address to post back the result. So we need to supply the Kali Linux IP address here, that is 192.168.159.134. okay, and here it is asking which site should I need to clone. Yes, everyone is interested in Facebook, most of the people. Let's give the Facebook. Facebook.com, hit enter. Takes few seconds. Okay, so we got an alert, right? Information will be displayed as it arrives below. So what I'll try to do is, I'll try to open up this particular URL, that is 134. You can see the information that the page is loading. So in the meanwhile, what I'll try to do is, I will try to switch to the new tab. Okay, but you need to pay the attention here. Okay, you can see I have been redirected to this particular page. Okay, let me type something here. It's secret. Okay, this is the thing which I have typed. Hope it will be the password. Now immediately switch back to this machine. Okay, so you can see it has successfully retrieved the 2 things. One is the email ID, the other one is the password. The email or else the user ID which I have used here for logging into my Facebook is Chaitanya Pentest, and the password is it's secret, right? By using this particular tab nabbing attack, we have successfully performed this kind of phishing technique, okay, which is strict. Okay, this concept is called tab nabbing, right? That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.